Hi friends, welcome to my channel Fuzzy Maths. Here again, I have another question for you, and let us see what the question is. The question is, if O is the center of the circle above, okay, what fraction of the circular region is shaded? Great. So this is the data given here is 150 degree. This point is the center O, okay, and what is this angle then? Now there is a very important concept to know in general, is that if I draw two intersecting lines, then the opposite angles are always same. So if I use this fundamental when opposite angles are always equal when two lines intersect, then if I see this line first and this line, which both of them are passing through the center, so they have to be the diameter, but I will not deal with that. Now I will only deal that opposite angles when two lines intersect are equal. So if this is 150 degree, this has to be 150 degree, okay, and this angle, the angle in the shaded part, this also has to be equal. Now any circle, the angle subscribed is equal to 360 degree. So if I say the angle A of this and angle B of this, so I can easily write the equation angle A plus angle B plus 2 into angle 150 is equal to 360, because in a circle the total inscribed angle is 360. And why I wrote 2 into 150? Because this angle and this angle are equal due to the rule of opposite angles. Okay, so the sum of angles A plus B will be equal to 360 minus 2 into 150 from this equation, okay, and that will be equal to 360 minus 300, that will be equal to 60 degree. Now the question is, what fraction of the circular region is shaded? Now how to calculate what fraction of the circular region is shaded? So for example, if I draw a circle and I divide it into two parts, let me draw it again. Okay, it will come, yeah. So there is one circle and there is one center, and if I draw a diameter dividing the circle into two parts, the first part, so two part, what does it mean, two parts? It means that it is divided equally into two halves, one half and another half. If I draw another circle and if I divide it, consider it as a center, I know the circle is not so appropriate, but if I divide it into four parts, then what it is divided into four equal parts. Each part will be 1/4 of the total. So what I intend here is that as we divide a circle as per the angles, the fraction of the area or the sector is dependent on the angle. So if this is 90 degree, then it will subscribe 90 divided by 360 equal to 1 by 4. Similarly, in this example, this angle is 180 degree. So the area subscribed is 180 degree divided by 360. This is equal to half. Similarly, if the angle subscribed by the shaded region is 60, the area will be how much? It will be 60 divided by 360, and that will be equal to 1 by 6. So our answer is 1 by 6. So there are two important concepts. The concept one is that whenever we have two intersecting lines, the opposite angles are always equal. If it is theta, then this will also be theta. If this is psi, this is also psi. I mean the angle. The second concept is that for any circle, for any circle, and there is a sector in that circle, if I shade this sector, the area inscribed by the sector will be equal or will be in proportion, will be in proportion with this angle. If this angle, for example, is 80 degree, then the area subscribed by this sector will be 80 degree divided by 360 into total area. So we can understand how the angle is defining the total area. Now why we are not multiplying the total area in this question? Because we are only concerned with the fraction, like what fraction of the area the shaded region is making in this part. So here we are only concerned with the fraction. So answer C is right. Thank you.